The Air Duct Cleaning Transformation. Best Duct Cleaning New Orleans. Big Easy Environmental. Before and after matters in air duct cleaning. But most of what changes isn't something you can see, it's something you breathe. A Big Easy Environmental duct cleaning starts with a full inspection of your duct system, identifying where buildup is concentrated, checking for moisture issues, and looking for any signs of mold growth that are common in New Orleans homes because of our climate. Then, the cleaning begins. Powerful commercial-grade equipment removes years of accumulated dust, debris, and contaminants from the full length of your ductwork, not just the vent covers. The difference between a professional cleaning and a surface wipe-down is significant. One New Orleans homeowner described it this way: "Todd came through and solved our problem above my expectations. I didn't think there was any saving the air quality in this old musty unit, and he knew just what to do to give it new life and us new air." Another customer said they were right on time, professional, cleaned our dirty vent and left. We hardly noticed them. That's exactly how Big Easy Environmental operates. Respectful of your home, efficient with your time, and honest about what your system actually needs. After the cleaning, your HVAC runs more efficiently, your home smells cleaner, and the air your family breathes every day is measurably better. Call 504-636-6700 or visit BigEasyEnvironmental.com to schedule. Ask about our $97 local special, free dryer vent cleaning included.